She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like that.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're doing a reaction video to one of my favorite pranksters. His name is Mr. Got Jokes. And so today he has a prank with cheating with the door lock prank. So that's today's video. We're going to do a reaction video today. Let's see how it goes.
Wait, you still own what?
And by the way, I'm using the
Is somebody in there?
Sony headphones.
Keep it on the low, girl.
What's up, you guys? Mr. Got Jokes, and right now Jasmine is at the gym getting hot and sweaty. Okay, and when she comes back, she's gonna think I'm doing the same thing, getting hot and sweaty, but with another girl, right? Basically, I found this thing on YouTube, this video, because you find anything on YouTube. I found a video of a girl that just sounds very like seductive, right? Very like promiscuous. She sounds freaky, but she ain't saying freaky things. She's saying like more girlfriend type of things, which is probably gonna make her more upset than if she heard freaky noises. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna have the door locked and I'm gonna basically pull up the video and play the video on the speaker so that it sounds like, you know what I'm saying, the girl is actually in the room. And then when she starts banging on the door, I'm gonna open up the door for her and then she gonna see that ain't nobody in here. She tripping for no reason. Or I'm just really good at hiding people. Or I'm messing with a ghost. Either way, we gonna have a good time. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And Team Mystic, we the best team in the league. Mystic Got Jokes.
I'm gonna hit that thumbs up real quick. They got a mirror right there.
Hi, little dad. Oh. Oh my god, I'm literally dying. So hot. But like on the walk back, it was cold. Babe.
You messing up.
Hello?
Yeah, right there.
Babe.
I think you still owe me a massage.
Oh, shh. Quiet.
Wow,
Wait,
he's so
what?
petty.
Is somebody in there?
Stop. My girl.
Hello?
My girl's here.
My girl's here. What do you
No.
mean my girl's here?
Huh?
Huh?
I
Who the
said,
f is in here?
I said my girl's here. Like,
No.
yeah, my girl's here.
Off of me.
Are you good?
Who said, are you ready for my massage?
What?
Who said,
Are you good?
Get the f off of me? Who said that shit?
Jasmine, what are you talking about? I'm saying my girl's here. Like, I'm excited to see you. There's nobody in here.
The dog, like, we here for a show.
Like, look at the
Look at the
dog. You know what
dog.
I'm saying? Look wherever you want to look.
I know.
Yo, you tripping.
I'm not tripping.
Did you, like, do too much running on the treadmill? You, like, hallucinating or something?
I know I'm not tripping, and I know I heard some shit, and you literally have me so up.
What did you hear?
I heard a girl. Get the off of me. I
Why are
literally
you
just heard a
cussing?
girl
Why are you
say.
upset?
I literally just heard a girl say.
No, are you good?
Are you ready for my massage?
That's my phone. For a massage? You want to go get one?
I know I'm not tripping. So I'm here and that's what you're saying?
Probably, yo. Like, you've been doing a lot of weird stuff lately. Like, you need to
Oh,
Are you
man.
insecure? I thought, like, you were a secure person.
Insecure? I literally just heard a girl say.
See, that's that paranoia hitting you. You been smoking again? I told you to stay off that shit.
You're funny as literally funny as I do not smoke.
Alright, chill. There's nobody in here.
Okay, so why are you pushing me out the room?
Okay,
like that?
look around wherever you want to
Why are you
look.
pushing me
Look
out?
under the blanket right there.
I know I'm not tripping. And I know I heard something. For sure,
Yo,
sure.
are you good? Obviously, there's
You
no
still
one in
think
here.
somebody in there. That's crazy. Like, you,
Right.
that closet
Nobody's
must be
in
huge
here?
then.
Nobody's in here. Don't look. Oh, I'm just kidding. There's nobody in there. Come on, you can look wherever. You look at you. You look
I
stupid.
for sure heard something. You gotta up.
Okay. How was your workout?
It was good.
It's good.
It was good, thanks.
All right, just making sure. Yeah, tripping.
You can put it
Wait,
back to
wait,
speaker,
you're
huh?
closing
Like you know again.
Yeah, just
It's okay.
Open the door! Now!
quiet.
Open it now!
Quiet.
Now! Open it!
She's right here.
Mark! I swear to God, open the door! Mark!
Oh man.
What happened?
Don't piss me off!
Yo, are you good?
I know I
Oh, that's how you know she mad. She called my his
I
real
know.
government name.
That was your echo.
Sorry, I
of your
got my
voice.
hungry watching this
There's
video.
nobody in here.
That was echo your voice.
Tell
You
her to
said.
come out. Where the f she hiding
You
at?
said you wanted me to put your clothes in the dryer.
I know I just heard some shit. I know I'm not tripping.
There's been a lot going on in these apartments. Something with the reflections of the walls.
No,
Something is.
no.
They need to come out and
No,
fix it.
I heard a girl's voice.
You are tweaking.
I heard a girl's
Look
voice.
at you yelling and stuff. There's nobody in here.
I'm not tripping.
There's
So
nobody
who are
in
you
here.
just talking to?
A ghost. Like, what are you talking about?
I know.
I'm literally in here
heard
trying to
something.
meditate and get my life
No,
together.
No.
I've been stressed lately, you know what I'm
No.
saying? This ain't helping. Yeah, look at
This ain't helping you. I literally just heard a girl in here.
Well, here's that. She's a girl.
No, he's stuck in my teeth. I shouldn't have ate them chips.
Are you good?
No, I'm not tripping.
Obviously, how do you feel when you come in here and there's no one in here?
I heard a girl
Okay.
both times.
Okay.
And why would you lock the door? Why was the door locked?
Because I'm trying to meditate. I don't need you barging in here like this. Why do you keep looking in the same place? All right. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have my privacy? Jeez. It's rude. Jeez.
As I said, that
I know,
closet
I
must be
heard
big because she
You can't
keep
hear
going up in
anything,
there.
unless Do you need to go to an insane asylum?
And like ain't nothing but boxes in there on the floor.
Well, where are they?
So you didn't hear anything?
I heard
hearing
you
stuff.
talking,
So I'm
yes.
hearing stuff. Is what you're saying.
Yes, clearly, because
I'm
there's no
hearing
one in
stuff.
here. What did you hear? The TV's not on?
Are you f***ing with me right now?
How?
I know I heard something.
I was literally trying to relax.
I literally heard a girl talking to you.
Please.
Swear you didn't hear anything.
I didn't hear anything.
Swear.
Can you just...
Why are you pushing me out?
Please, I'm trying to meditate. Can I get 2 more minutes? Is that okay? Is that okay?
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
I know you're tired right now.
Is this your cup on the counter or mine?
Comfortable.
Yeah, I'm just going to get real comfortable real quick.
See, this is how you lose a relationship. I don't see how people get away with this stuff.
You comfortable, baby?
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised she ain't gonna kick that door down.
Mark!
What?
So,
Wow, I know she. Oh, beat him.
Literally, do not speak to me for the rest of the night. I promise you.
I thought it was hilarious.
Bible, don't talk to me for the rest of the night. Bible.
Oh, you mad, man? Me and her gonna be chilling. I'm gonna talk to her. That was definitely one of my favorite pranks right there. If you guys liked it, as always, hit the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe to the channel
That's
for weekly
petty.
videos.
That's
But right
some
now, I
petty
need
stuff.
to holler at you guys. Can you do me a favor? Please click the link in the description down below. Go subscribe to my blog channel. I'm trying to post every single day there. And I'd be more inclined, you know what I'm saying, if you guys came and rock
What's
with me.
that?
Okay, we got a lot of people over there. But I need the rest of Team Mystic to go jump over there and turn up with me every single day. We're gonna have a good time. It's new year, new vibes. We just going hard. Going hard after our goals, after our dreams. We about to take over. It's about to be a great year. I love you guys. Remember, Team Mystic, what are we? What are we? Mystic, I don't know what we are. You probably gotta tell me, because if you don't tell, I'm probably gonna forget. I think that we the best team in the league. I love y'all. Mr. Guy Jokes. Bitch!
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share my channel, please. It's free. Just please share my channel or I'll come find you. But anyway, like I said, if you guys want to see me do more reaction videos, please comment down below. I will leave all the original video, link in the description, his channel, all my social medias and all. I hope Mr. doesn't copyright me for this video. Like I said, everybody have a good night and enjoy.